So I purchased this Foxwell NT301 Plus OBDII and battery tester device. This thing is good. It's a basic OBDII scanner, give you some basic codes. You can see some real-time data as well. It's not a full-blown scanner going to give you every diagnostic and control the computer or anything like that. It's just going to give you basic code reading capability. But today, let's just talk about the battery tester. A lot of people neglect their batteries and they just do not know if they're on the verge of failing them. And that is why I like this tool, because you can clamp it to your battery. And right here, these connect, and you can test the strength of your battery, whether it needs to be replaced or not. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these two right here. If I can do it, look at that. You can even do it one-handed. That's what she said. All right. Put that little puppy on there and bring up the old positive cap off there. Look at that. No corrosion. All right. That spray helped. I bought some battery terminal protectant, and it is definitely working. Positive. Negative. Once you connect it, this will power up. And what I do now, I'm not going to scan or do anything else like that. I'm going to do battery. Whoops. And use the arrow. Go over to battery. Hit enter. And we're going to do a battery test. Hit here. Let's get in focus. Hit enter. Battery test. Battery location. It is in vehicle, so we'll go down arrow. Regular battery type here. It's a diehard 750 cold cranking amps. And let's go ahead. We'll hit regular. CCA, cold cranking amps. That's what that means. Cold cranking amps. Hit enter right here on my thumb. Here it kind of confirms what you want to do. Enter, confirm. Battery rating 750 cold cranking amps. Boom. Testing. Above 0 degrees Celsius. Yes. Oh, it wants me to turn on the headlights. Okay, let's go turn on the headlights. Their headlights are on. And it says headlight on detected. So there's my result. It kept asking me to turn the headlights on and off. Volts 12.36, measured 5 cold cranking amps, rating 750. It's telling me to replace this battery now. And you know what, for grins, if you disconnect this, of course it goes off. Let's redo it one more time. All right, battery. It is not a touch screen. Enter, battery test, battery test. Out of vehicle. Oh, I screwed up. Back. In vehicle. Regular. CCA. 750. Testing. It'll probably ask for the headlights again. Yes. Testing. Surface charge detected. Turn headlights on. Here we go again. Headlights are on. Turn headlights off. Headlights off detected. Testing. Oh, now we got a good recharge. I must have screwed it up the first time. So it's always good to run this test twice, at least twice. So now I'm getting a good, but it needs to be recharged because car's been sitting overnight, obviously, so we need to run it and get the battery charged up with the alternator. So there you go, useful tool. Gives you an idea, again, on the healthier battery. Run it a few times just to give you a warm and fuzzy. All right, hope this helps.